Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Bold, the Blue, and the Beautiful Tablescape collaboration 2020. This collaboration is hosted by me, myself, and DIYing It with Tammy, Fabulous Design on a Budget with Madeline, and Easy Living with Elle. Please go to these ladies' channels and show them some love and support. They have some amazing and wonderful home decor videos that will inspire you to decorate your home on a budget. I will link their channel in the playlist in the description box below. But if you're new to my channel, welcome and become a member of Living Better with Style family, where we do lifestyle changes, home decor, DIYs, shop with me, and hauls. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new video. And in this collaboration, we was asked to style out our table using bold, blue, and beautiful. So let's take a closer look and tour on my beautiful tablescape. My white tablecloth came from Family Dollar, and my navy blue table mats came from Walmart, and the gorgeous gold charger came from Z Gallery, and the paper plate came from Hobby Lobby, and my white dinner plate with the gold trimming came from Burlington. And the bling out napkin and napkins also came from Z Gallery. My martini glass and bling out stir and bling out napkin rings are all a part of a collection at Z Gallery called the Victoria Collection. And yes, everyone, I caught everything on sale. My gold utensil also came from Hobby Lobby. And I decided to add a couple of glass stones in each martini glass to add another pop of blue. And my gold mirror tray and tall counter holders also came from Z Gallery. And the small bleed out counter holders, they also came from my favorite store, Z Gallery. And the gorgeous blue bowls and flower arrangement came from Hobby Lobby. And this amazing vase came from Ross. I just love how the white and the gold and the blue work well together. I want you to see all the detail of each charger and the gold napkins. Each plate setting is exactly the same. I also added a couple of crystals hanging down so it will give you the effect like crystals hanging from the chandelier. I just think that absolutely beautiful. This tablescape is so gorgeous and so elegant. If you like my bold, beautiful, and blue tablescape, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And always tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new video. I have some amazing contents coming up and you do not want to miss out on that. Thank you, ladies, for this amazing collaboration and all the participants. God bless, stay safe, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.